See it, ya people. Yeah, man, this morning, or this grand rise, Sarsaparilla hunt. See it there, them rock here we have to climb. You understand? Understand that people are complaining that the herbs are too expensive. I told you. Yeah, man, my grandfather was a herbalist, yet he was broke, which is the mission impossible. We can't be putting in the effort and the energy. And for the exchange of energy is what? Money, because money is not real, only energy. And I give it away for free. All right, here goes. This is Saucy Pearl. Yeah, man, see it here, you know. Yes, man, Saucy Pearl. You have a little yam look. You understand this before it dry. You know? Yeah, man. Right name feet, what? Slimax, Glacier, something like that. You know? Don't quote me on that. But yes, man, we are wear a cross, you know. Yeah, man, like Jesus. So you see burdens, we have to get pay feet. You understand, some people think that this is for free. And if you think this plant is no normal plant, type in Sarsaparilla and see the nutritional benefit. It come in a top 3 mucus remover. Mucus removed from the knee, arthritis gone. Mucus removed from the head, pneumonia gone. Or sinus. Mucus removed from the lungs, pneumonia gone. You understand? Yeah, man, it's all mucus causing all the disease on the planet. Yes, for daily motivation like these, please check out my new book, Earth. It's on Amazon. See ya. Check it out.